I found discarded electronics here. Maybe this is piano and organ, maybe. So we take this one for scrapping. Very nice. Maybe there is palladium here or gold. Oh, this is inside maybe control. And there's a lot of this type of components. Maybe silver lead. Jackpot, buddy boy. Yeah. Okay, gold recovery from organ keyboard contact points. So this is the contact points. This is exactly look like this is keyboard and push to the bottom. And this one, this bar here are containing gold wire from this end at, and I will show you first. Yeah, that's exactly the contact points I mentioned on the top of that bar. And let's see the other one here. Yeah, that exactly a gold contacts. So before we proceed, we test but before we proceed, we perform a test first, so that we can confirm if this is really gold or silver. So we take 3 pieces of this type of contacts and 3 pieces also of this type of contacts. So let's proceed. Okay, this is our test. Let's bend a little bit. And this one also, we had to small beaker and pour distilled water little bit. Okay, and we pour a little bit of echinotri here. So let's see. Okay, after 10 minutes, we completely dissolve the base metal, and let's see what we have left in our beaker. Oh yeah, I found 3 pieces of tiny gold here. Yeah, it's hard to detect, but we try to here zoom in. Yeah, that that is a left of our beaker here. Yeah, clear precision. Yes, that's it. So we confirm that a flat contacts is gold, and here also, as you can see, there are 3 remaining material here, like here. Oh yeah, very clear to see. That is gold. So so what we're going to do is to check the presence of silver. So we remove our solution here. Yeah, tiny gold remain. So to check the presence of silver, we pour HCl to our solution. Yeah. Confirm that we don't have silver of our base metal, so it's only gold. If there's silver, there is silver chloride precipitate with HCl. So let's proceed to our main video. So we continue here. Since the gold is in the contact points only, we cut here to save our acid. And the base metal here is copper. If we directly dissolve, we are wasting acid here. So we cut at the end point here. So let's begin using our cutter. We separate the copper and we recover that later by dissolving acid peroxide solution and precipitate copper using steel bar. So we continue working here until we finish and we take to our skill. This is all the contact points I got. And let's see to our scale here. Yep. So 0. 5.12 gram of contact points. And here also total of 59.88 grams. Very small, but do not underestimate the contact points here because this is solid gold ware. So let's proceed to our gold extraction. Okay, extraction of gold here. We add our material to our beaker. And cover with distilled water. And pour chinotri here. Start reaction. So we leave it for a couple minutes. After 1 hour, the reaction has stopped and we remove our solution here. And as you can see, we cannot dissolve completely, so we continue dissolving here. What I have extracted here is the only tiny contacts from flat contacts. So we pour another distilled water here. And we add echinote again. Cleaning our work here. That's exactly how our gold look like. The reaction here is almost completed, and as you can see the boiling of our solution, and this is hot water to heat our solution. Okay, evaporate our solution to expel excess Hachinotri here. Very nice color, as you can see. Allowing here to cool down our solution. Okay, after cooling down our solution, we add sulfamic acid for denoxing. Few amounts, as you can see. The evaporation, the excess nitric acid has expelled, and when we add sulfamic, there's no reaction, and as you can see, some white forming at the top of our solution, so we filter this one using our ashless filter. Crystal clear solution. Okay, we're done filtering now, and let's test our solution for presence of gold, as you can see. By adding stainless chloride. Yeah, dark stain. That is the indication that we have strong gold of our solution. So we wash a little bit. Transfer our solution here. Okay, let's test pH of our solution here. pH 2. So we need to dilute this one with water. Use distilled water, maybe a few ml. Yeah. Okay, gold precipitation using sodium metabisulfite, Germany. This is brand new. Wow, very nice packaging. Okay. Yes, precipitate completely. That's our precipitation. Filtering our solution to capture our precipitate gold. We're done filtering here. As you can see, capture the gold dust and very clean water, and that is our gold. As you can see, very nice, baby. Transfer our precipitate here to a smaller beaker for easy washing. Easy washing. Okay, for washing, no need special skills here. Just add hot distilled water multiple times, and always allow the gold to sit. Okay, drying our gold or melting later. As you can see here, very nice. Now our gold is ready. We add this onto our melting dish. Not much, but we recover gold completely. We add borax here. Okay, fire to our map gas. Okay, we're done melting our tiny button. Let's do it. Oh, okay. Sound like metal. This is all the material that I use for making HNO3 here. Potassium nitrate drain master, which is containing 98% it's sulfuric acid, sodium metabolism sulfite, Germany, and our map gas. Okay, here's our expenses. I make nitric acid, which is I use potassium nitrate 400 gram worth 166. Sulfuric acid 200 ml 49 pesos. Produces nitric acid HNO3 um 180 ml. HCl estimated 25 pesos. Sulfamic estimated 5 pesos. SMB estimated 15 pesos. Filter paper 10. Map gas estimated 15 pesos. In total of 285 PHP. $2 $2 divided by 59 59.13, total of 4.81 USD. 4.8 USD our total expenses here. So let's take to our scale. This is our nice button gold. Turn on sa 0. Let's see, pang 1.1 gram. Okay, we back again here. Price of gold today is 7,300 here in our area. So here's the answer. Was 1.11 multiplied by 700,300, total 8,103 PHP, and then minus our expenses, 285 PHP, 8,103 negative 285 equals 7,818 PHP. Divided into dollar, divide 59.31 equals 100 divide to dollar 59.13 USD, total 131.81 US dollar. So not bad, buddy. Our material from scrap. So thank you for watching, my friend. Please like and subscribe to our channel. So very shiny, buddy, as you can see. No way.